right, the extended arm lizard. So another great hip stretch. It's an active stretch because we're going to be supporting ourselves with the arms. I actually think it provides a little bit better stretch, or excuse me, a deeper stretch for the hips than your regular lizard. So we'll get into it, into a lunge position, patting up the back knee if you need, like me here. Okay. For a normal lizard, we're right here. But our extended arm lizard, we're going to have our hands out in front of us like this. Notice that my right hand is coming inside the right leg, not outside. So from here, you'll simply let your hips sink to the floor, feeling the stretch really in that back leg. And then you'll repeat each side, and that right there is the extended arm lizard.